Okay, the best way that I can explain to buy Catgirl is first downloading MetaMask or Trust Wallet. If you already have that, that's awesome. Write down your keywords on a piece of paper. Keep everything safe. Once you do that, I'm gonna have this up. You can screenshot this off of my account if you'd like, and then you're gonna be typing in all of this information through your settings on your MetaMask or Trust Wallet because we're adding this in. So first, once you have that downloaded, we're gonna go to the MetaMask and Trust Wallet, hit settings, network, and this is MetaMask, so I'm not 100% sure if it's like this on Trust Wallet. You're gonna hit add network at the very bottom, and then you're gonna type in all of this information right here. So once you type all of this in, you're gonna see RPC Networks, Binance Smart Chain. Once you have that up, we're gonna go to the Catgirl website, and at the very top right, click on these three bars, and you'll see the token. Once you click that, scroll down a little bit, contract address, copy to clipboard, go to Pancake Swap, connect your wallet at the top right here. Then you're going to copy and paste your address, because at first it won't show up. And then you'll hit import, I understand, and like you'll import it in, and it will show Catgirl, like how it's on mine. Once you connect that, buy your BNB, or if you already have BNB, that's good. But if you don't, you can buy it through Binance, or if you're in the US and you don't want to have, and you don't have VPN or anything like that, binance.us, send it over to your account. It will show up right here. Put how much you want to convert, and then it will just have like a convert button. You may have to mess around with your slippage, but that is it. And then it will show up and under your MetaMask account through Binance Smart Chain.